Yo, so long story short, we got a van for 300 and we flipped it for 2400. So $300 of those went into another flip, and that flip's right behind me over here. So what we're gonna do in this video, we're gonna clean it and we'll see what we find in there. And it's gonna need a deep clean because it stinks. It smells like a lot of smoke and fast food. But overall, this is a pretty neat car. Um, and I'm gonna put my GoPro and just check it out.
The reason why this car is $300 because in the ad it was listed as for parts, not working. It had a clean title, so we went check it out anyway. Life's all about taking chances, so we took it, we bought it, we brought it home. We didn't know if it was gonna start. We didn't have really a key, so we're gonna have to figure out where to get a key made. But just check out the video, see what what we found.
Alright, what we got here? That's a cool sticker. Let's keep it right there. Chicken puff. That's cool. I'm gonna need two different bags. One for keepers, one for trash. What is this? Complicated. Florida. Oh, Gator. Common table. Probably for his trash. We need this. This. It's got check it out. Some money. El control aquí está. Está todo sucio. maybe they can be cleaned, bro. Yeah. I could clean the fuck out of these. No. Poop sucks.
We found the key fob, put it back together, so now it's time to put the new battery on, see if it cranks. Apparently it does not work, but let's see if it cranks, see what it does. So maybe something small fix, you know?
Alright, we're gonna try to turn it on right now. So we found the key in pieces. Put it back together, put a battery in it. It's really hot outside. I'm drenching. But yeah, we put a new battery on the car too. And we're gonna try to crank it right now, so we'll see. It's on. Yo, the car just turned on. Yo, we got it on. Let's see. Wow. We just cranked it and we're just testing it right now because it's working. It worked. We put a whole new battery and we found the controller in pieces. Put it together and it turned on. So far so good, but I mean, we just gotta test it some more, you know. We're giving it a little. The AC works, the radio works. It's dirty, it's disgusting. Alright, so the cleaning just started. I just took out all the things that I was gonna keep, all the trash in a bag. Now it's time to vacuum it, alright? But all of this is what I didn't throw away. So a bunch of pens, cool little sticker, lighter that works, some Jigglypuff necklace, pretty cool. This is like some battery thing. There's one of these in here, I don't know what it is. Cable, some hopadillo, little guy. Then we got a gator. Shout out EBZ. Shout out EBZ gator. Got some headphones. I need to clean these up real good because they're kind of cool iPhone. Then we got a charger, some oil thing, and obviously I'm not gonna throw that away, but yeah, it's pretty cool. Oh, and I also found about $4 in coins in total. So now we're gonna vacuum it. So just a quick vacuum job real quick, and that's the first one, and it's already looking great. Oh man.
And that's it for this video, so make sure you tune in to the next one when we actually detail all the dash, all the exterior, everything else. This is actually a pretty neat car, and it's gonna look like new when we're done. So thanks for watching. Later.